fears, and that buries the doubts and it hides their fears. But who do you think profits from the cuts in public spending? It doesn't bother them if the welfare state is ending, saving people's jobs. But that don't mean a thing as long as industry is safe and the profit still comes in. This system we live in, it ain't gonna go away just because you close your eyes or just because you run away. When you wake up tomorrow, it'll all still be the same. They've still got power and profit. Do you think they want to change their nuclear devices? 80% our freedom, their nuclear devices. I took their superior position. If they could do without us, then they would. If they could do without us, then they would. And they would do without us if they could. They would do without us if they could.